Mark on the phone, Germantown, Maryland. Good morning.
Good morning, Newt. My name is Mark Zimmerman. I've met you twice. Once was about 4 years ago, and I said to you, Newt, if you were going to run for president, I don't know. I started lecturing you about, it's just amazing to me that that we've gotten to this point where actually you are now very possibly going to be president of the United States. And we ran into a shoe store. We talked for a minute, and I did all the talking. I didn't listen to one word you said. And then I walked away, and that was it. And then I met you another year later at a bookstore in Virginia. Anyway, all I ask is, I believe that your faith is strong in God, that you really love God, and I just pray and wish that that you really push that part of what's going on in America. We have so many broken families. I come from a divorced family. It ruined my life. I mean, we have so many problems with homosexuality and immorality everywhere, and I just pray to God that, and you're so smart, so, I wish I could give you $25 million. I called your campaign headquarters and said, I want to give this guy $20 million. Unfortunately, I don't have it right now, but God bless you, brother. Go all the way, but please push the morality issue. God forgives all of us.
Thank you, Mark.
Well, Mark, listen, thank you, and I'm glad I listened to you that day in the shoe store. Let me say, first of all, your voice counts, your vote counts, your Facebook page counts. You don't have to have $20 million. You can have a lot of things go on that just help us get votes, and I'm very, very grateful for your support and for your involvement. And I agree with you. I think that this core question about whether or not we're going to recognize that our rights come from our Creator, as we say in the Declaration of Independence, and therefore we have obligations to our Creator for those rights. I think that's a very central part of this campaign and really helps explain a great deal of what America is all about. So I think that was a very, very good phone call you just had, Mark.